Do you also add your website form leads manually to the Google Sheet? Then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add your website form lead details to the Google Sheet without even a single word coding and without even typing a single word. So now let me show you how this automation is going to be created, which is going to be very beneficial for any type of business you are running, as this will automatically save your website lead details to the Google Sheet. And now you don't have to check again and again for your website form leads. And now let me show you how this automation is going to be created by using Pabbly Connect, which can integrate different applications and start automating your work. But before building it, let me show you how it is going to work in real time so that you can understand it's working for your own business too. So now let's move on towards my website form, which I have created for my business. So I'm going to just refresh this page, and now here you can see I'm going to provide the full name of my lead as smart user, email as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and here I'm going to enter the phone number. And here, as I have clicked over the submit button, my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the lead details are added over there or not. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet named as website form leads, where you can see I'm getting these three columns, that is full name, email and the phone number. And here I'm getting the same lead details, that is full name smart user, email smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number which I have recently filled over my website form. So now you have seen within few seconds my website form lead is directly added to the Google Sheet and I don't have to do anything manually. And this is the magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking how to do it. So now let me show you the step-by-step process of creating this automation. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and get heavy and exclusive discounts. Now for creating this automation, you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an integration among different applications, so I'm going to access this Pabbly Connect app by simply selecting this access now button. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, where you can see all these folders which I have created for organizing my automations. So if you also want to do so, then you just have to click over this create a new folder button. And here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want you can even select the parent folder as well for better organization. And now for creating a new workflow by integrating website form and Google Sheet, I'm going to just click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. And here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here it is asking me to enter the workflow name. So here I'm going to enter the workflow name as automatically send website form data to Google Sheets in real time. And now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page, where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my website form. And for connecting my website form with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use an amazing tool provided by Pabbly, that is Webbook by Pabbly. So here I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as Sketch Webbook. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this Webbook URL with the steps for pasting this Webbook URL. So this Webbook URL is going to act as a bridge between website form and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let me copy this Webbook URL, and now let's move on towards the code of the website form which I have created for this form. So now let's move on towards the code. So here you can see this is the code of my website form. So after this word fetch, I have added a dummy URL which I am going to replace with the Webbook URL which I have recently received. So here I am going to enter the Webbook URL, and now let me save it. So here I have simply saved it. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it is waiting for the webbook response. Now for providing the webbook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our website form. So here I am going to provide the full name of my lead as demo user, email as demoUser@pabblytunes.com, phone number. Now let's submit this form, and here my form has been successfully submitted, and this data might be captured in my Pabbly Connect. So here you can see 6 seconds ago my Pabbly Connect has received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled over my website form. So this shows that I am successfully receiving the data and my trigger app is successfully integrated. And now by using this response, I am going to create the record in the Google Sheet. So for that, I am going to use my action app as Google Sheets. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and here I am getting the Google Sheet which is my action application. So I have selected it, and now I am going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here you have to sign up with your Google account. But I'm going to use my existing connection. So now let's click over the save button, and here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly. And we are getting this first field for selecting the spreadsheet. So from this drop down you can select your preferred spreadsheet where you want to add the website form lead data. And now we are getting all these fields where I have to provide the lead details. And now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually do it, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Webbook by Pabbly, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application, that is Webbook by Pabbly. So from the response I'm going to map the full name. Now let me map the email address. So I'm going to map it. So here I have mapped the email address. Now let's map the phone number. So here I have mapped the phone number as well. And now these fields are dynamic, means now you don't have to change the values again and again and capture the response again and again. The response will be automatically replaced as a new lead will be received from your website form. So here I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and here you can see I'm receiving a positive response which demonstrates that our data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, and here I'm landed to my Google Sheet where you can see I'm successfully receiving the same lead name which I have recently filled over my website form, the same email address, that is demoUser@pabblytunes.com, and the phone number which I have recently filled. So now you have seen the working and the creation of an amazing automation which is adding my website form lead details to the Google Sheet, and I have created this automation without even a single word coding. So now you can also create this automation for your own business too, and this is going to save you a lot of time so that you can focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT free, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.